Boosting breast milk production. If you have decided to breastfeed your baby, the first 4 to 6 weeks are critical for breastfeeding success. If you are a first-time mom, this period will be important for you to figure out a breastfeeding schedule. This is also the time when you have to ensure a healthy supply of breast milk. Many mothers worry about their breast milk production. This is a common fear. But there is only a small probability that you aren't making enough breast milk. However, if that is the case, there are several things you can do to boost milk production. In today's video, we have discussed everything you need to know about boosting your breast milk production. Watch till the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every week. Can you increase your breast milk production? The short answer is yes. Reports published by Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) show indicate an estimated number of 75% of breastfeeding mothers who partially or completely stop breastfeeding their babies within the first few months. The most common reason behind this worries about insufficient milk production. For most women, the breast milk supply is just fine. But if you feel the need to increase or boost your breast milk production, there are several ways to do so. Keep watching to know more. How to boost breast milk production? Keep in mind that how long it will take you to increase your breast milk production usually depends on how low your breast milk supply is and what is contributing to this low breast milk production. In most cases, these methods start working within a week. Number 1. Breastfeed more often. Start breastfeeding more often and let your little one decide when to stop feeding. When your baby suckles on your breast, hormones have released that trigger your breast to produce more milk. This is known as the letdown reflex. The letdown reflex takes place when the muscles in your breast contract and moves the milk through the ducts. This happens shortly after you start breastfeeding your baby. The more you breastfeed, the more milk you will produce. Typically, breastfeeding a newborn baby at least 8 to 12 times a day helps establish and maintain milk production. Number 2. Use breast compression. Breast compression is a technique that can be used to help a baby take in more breast milk. This also helps in removing more breast milk from your breasts when you are pumping. However, keep in mind that you don't need to use breast compression if your baby is breastfeeding well. But if you have a newborn or a sleepy baby who isn't a strong nurser, breast compression can help in keeping your breast milk flowing and your baby drinking. Number 3. Pump between feeding. Pumping between feeding sessions can help you in boosting breast milk production. Warming your breast before pumping can make your breast feel comfortable and make pumping easier. Try to breast pump when you have some milk left over after feeding. Your baby missed a feeding. Your baby gets a bottle of formula or breast milk. Number 4. Breastfeed from both sides. An easy and convenient way to increasing breast milk production is to breastfeed from both breasts. First, let your baby feed from one side until they slow down. Then offer the second breast. This stimulation can help in boosting the production of breast milk. Similarly, pumping milk from both breasts has been shown to clinically boost breast milk production and increase fat content in the milk. Number 5. Use a supplemental nursing system. Using a supplemental nursing system can encourage the baby to suck your breast even when there is no breast milk. This may be particularly useful if your child gets frustrated when your flow of milk has slowed. By using a supplemental nursing system, you will be able to make your child suck your breast longer. This will also add stimulation to your breast, which will help in boosting overall breast milk production. Number 6. Lactation cookies. You may have heard about lactation cookies. Lactation cookies are easily available in stores and also online on Amazon. And if you want, you can make your own. Although research is limited, it has been seen that some of the ingredients present in lactation cookies can help boost breast milk production. Some of these ingredients are wheat germ, flaxseed meal, whole oats, and brewer's yeast. These foods contain galactagogues that promote lactation. Number 7. Lifestyle changes. Sometimes poor lifestyle habits such as smoking, inadequate diet, lack of sleep, mental health factors, etc. can lead to low breast milk supply. Taking combination birth control pills, stress and fatigue can also be contributors. Therefore, make sure that you don't smoke and take care of yourself mentally and physically while breastfeeding. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.